Unlocking the beauty of berry-stained lips. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a picturesque and vivid phrase that often pops up in literature, beauty, and fashion discussions: berry-stained lips. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to appreciate the beauty and nuance in English descriptions. Let's explore together what makes berry-stained lips a favorite among writers and poets. The phrase, berry-stained lips, is a descriptive expression that combines two key elements: berries and staining. Berries are small, juicy fruits that are often red, purple, or blue in color. When you eat berries, their juice can leave a temporary color on your lips, hence the term, stained. So, when someone describes lips as berry-stained, they mean the lips appear as if they have been tinted with the juice of berries, suggesting a natural, vibrant, and attractive coloration. Berry-stained lips is not just about color. It's an imagery-rich phrase that evokes a sense of natural beauty, health, and youthfulness. It often symbolizes a lively, vibrant appearance, suggesting someone who is full of life and vitality. In literature and poetry, such descriptions go beyond the physical to convey deeper emotions or states of being, using the natural stain of berries as a metaphor for innocence, temptation, or even sensuality. Understanding where and how to use the phrase, berry-stained lips, can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially in creative writing or descriptive language. It's perfect for settings where you want to emphasize beauty in a natural, understated way. Whether you're writing a story, describing a character in a novel, or even composing poetry, this phrase adds depth and vividness to your descriptions. And there you have it, the beautiful journey through the meaning and use of berry-stained lips. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to appreciate the intricate ways in which the language captures the essence of our world. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words, it's about embracing the stories and images those words can create. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to our next adventure together in the wonderful world of English language learning.